Siyakwamukela mbukeli wethu ngaphakathi kwehlelo ngakwethu. Siyathokoza ukuthi ube yingcenye yaleli hlelo. Begodu-ke sithokoza kilabo abasubscribe-bileko, sithokoze kilabo abasherako, sithokoze kilabo abalayikako nama-comments wenu ukusilandela enkundleni zonke zokuthintana. Sibuyile namhlanje godu sizokhuluma ngelinye ihlelo elimnandi begodu-ke nozolithabela esikholwa ukuthi sizokufundisana. Angikhambi ngedwa, ngikhamba nobaba uLawrence Gabela. Kodwa ngaphambi kokuthi ngimlotshise ubaba Gabela, sithanda ukuthokoza ke bakwa Stay Life Wise sikhambisana nabo. Stay Life Wise inamathuba angakunikela wona njengomuntu ofuna umsebenzi. Ungathumela isibawo sokuthi ufuna ukuba ingcenye ye-Stay Life Wise. La uza kuthola khona ithuba lokubandulwa ukuthi mhlawumnye ungakhona njani ukuzenzela ingeniso. I-email address ngethi ia recruitment@staylifewise.co.za, ia recruitment@staylifewise.co.za. So we are so grateful to partner with LifeWise to also offer these opportunities to our youth. Probably you are a varsity student, you want to do some extra income to support your education, or you are working but your income is not enough. This is another opportunity that you can grab. You can do it part-time or full-time, depending on how aggressive you are in changing your life and bettering your finances, as we are about to close the first quarter of 2026. And we also extend our gratitude to our viewers across the board. Thank you so much, guys, for joining and commenting and sharing our content. Lord Shabab Gabel.
Makwande David, ninjani?
Hi, siyavuka Mr. LG. Nivuke njani nina?
Life is good. Life-wise,
Yes.
financial-wise,
Yes.
impilo-wise.
Yes.
Yeah, baningi abo-wise. Yeah, siyaphila.
Yes.
Sibonga ukuvuka nokuphefumula.
Qiniso lelo Baba Gabela, ngikhumbula ku episode yethu yokugcina bokuthi yey bafethu niyabona ukuthi kusele a month ukuthi sivale the first quarter. Namhlanje we are recording here. It's only 27 days before we just close the first quarter of 2026. Sona idlulile, Minister of Finance udlulile, and ngizogcila kakhulu ku Minister of Finance because definitely a budget has been shared ukuthi simenjani si South Africa. Also ama increase abekhona from ama social grants, ama increase abekhona kuma taxes nakuma products esiwasebenzisako. But-ke thina sijame njani njengabantu abaphatha imali edlulako ezandleni zethu. Ngiyo enye yenkulumo esoyithinda ngaphakathi namhlanje.
Yo, David, you just started ngama-power, ngama-uppercuts, punches. Yeah, sure. Yeah, uthatha indaba very sensitive because empilweni yethu imali is an energy.
Yes.
That comes and go.
Yes.
Mangawazi ukuyimanage le energy ngendlela right izokuthatha ikune kwi-wrong direction. This energy called finance, imali. It means inokushona phansi. That's my own definition, njalo. Inokushona phansi energy angisho siyas.
Yes.
Iphinde ikhuphuke. So this energy kuthiwa imali bafiwa bayimasterayo. Bona nayo uminister uGodongwana uyazama ukuyibalance uyiphethe yonke.
Hey. Kodwa iyamshodela.
Mari iyashoda.
Ufuna ukukhuphula ngapha ehlise ngapha, khuphule ngapha.
Hey. Ubulawa uPaul ukuvusa uPeter. Ukwazi bethi Europe Paul to pay Peter.
To pay Peter, yes. And you are not moving by that.
Yeah.
By so doing.
Yeah, so i-finance if singayimanage kahle. Enye itopic engakhulumeki la. Itopic abantu bahlukene, abantu bazibulele. Abantu they've gave up. Befundile benjani? Yabona i-finance wethu. Ungayifunda esikoleni iphase nge-distinction. But ukuthi uyenze nge-distinction, hayi.
Hayi kubi.
It's very challenging because why ngena kule le topic? I'm going sideways. I'm giving many examples before the answer so that you will understand. Kuti, this is not just a topic.
True.
It's emotional. It's psychological effect yakhona mawungayibambanga ifaka with depression.
Yeah.
Then therefore abantu abaningi baya give up. Abantu abaningi thina sibabheka ukuthi kwi-depression baphuza imali yabo. Abaphuza imali yabo. Bazama ukususa lesi stress, and unfortunately mawuthi ususa stress se-finance uvula eminye imbobo ezokubulala. Ushiye umuntu othandana naye umdivorce or akudivorce because ecabanga ukuthi la kaya khona uzothola imali eningi ngana problem. Sibona izindlu ziyarepossesswa. And this is a house that wawuthe noma uyiplana kunento so kwi-finance kune-approval ne-affordability.
Yeah.
Azifani.
Yes.
Approval, it's based on more or less, yeah. Ungayithola le monto, ungayithola lento oyithengile, ungayithenga le phone.
Yeah.
But mase fanele uyimanage that affordability, say keep it, no, you were just approved.
Yes.
But you were not tested to afford. So sibala ke unyaka sithi una 365 days or una 12 months. Abanye financial year yabi starta go June, abanye starta go March, because it doesn't mean ukuthi ama plans that, like we said before, all your plans should start January. No.
Yeah, no.
You can start March.
Yes.
Sengenzela labathe abapostponile bathi
Yes.
this year ngizoba right.
Yeah.
But the first quarter this year it's gone. So i-finance ihlupha ngalokho ukuthi fanele wazi ukuthi ama-dreams akho uwabeka or ama-goals akho uwabeka beneath or under, not at equilibrium, not zilingane. Meaning your disposable income akufanelanga ilingane nama commitments akho.
Okay.
I think that is important. Uma unama commitment ka 8,500, then uhola 8,500, it's dangerous. But kaningi
You are overcommitted.
yes, kaningi sihola 8,500. Angikhulumi nge-gross. Ngikhuluma manje nge-net, uthola usale kuma-deduction, uselelo yini? I-8,500. But wena mawuhamba uyenza i-commitment, abayifuni net, bayifuna but baqala nge-gross ukuthi uhola mali, bese uhlala kwa-gross wena ka-13,000. I-example le. Kanti u-13,000 le, akusiyimali oyitholayo. Mali uyitholayo fanele wenze i-commitment lapha kwa-8,500. Because anything is at 8,502 cents, and then I balance.
Aye, so over budget.
And more over budget, so should kwenzakalani. Then kungcono mangabe uzowenza i-commitment yakho uyenze ngo-6,000. Kodwa uwazi ukuthi nebhenki ungena 8.5. Why wenza njalo? Kunezinto zokuthiwa izimo eziphuthumayo, emergency funds. Manje imoto yakho mayishayiswa igate lapha, kunento kuzofuneka kwathi access lephuma kuwe.
Yes.
Ubona imoto zethu nje zinama scratch amanye sezarusa amadala, hayi ukuthi asiwaboni bafowethu ingasihleki. Thola imoto imhlophe dala yashayisa. Enibhampe kancane, hayi ukuthi umuntu akayiboni. Is because maya lapha ku-insurance ethi okay siyabona ubhadele, but ushoda ngalento kuthiwa i-access fund. Meaning asikwazi ukuthi sikusize wena ungakhiphanga le mali. O sizombhadela lo muntu.
Yeah.
But wena angeke uyithole le monto le. Ungakamniki le 1,500 bese iba imali eningi. Bese wenzani ke? hambe uyolona i-loan bese ifaka futhi interest.
Hayibo.
Manje i-problem e-1 ivula ama-problem amaningi.
Lo ya 8.5 uyobukuphi-ke manje sekunama-problem angaka?
Hayi ngithi ngize nawo ungangipheli inhliziyo. Uzafika-ke lapho. Uthi usathi uthathe le loan. Nakhona kwa-qualification bayasa-approvela ngisho. Ngoba nabafuna ibhizinisi. Kodwa i-affordability kahle kahle. Akusingiyo ngoba kuza njani uyofuna i-1.5 kanti bu-afford. Yabona siyarojwa.
Ngoba kusesenenye phela kumele uyi-withdraw uyiphathe ngesandla.
Manje mabe nginika i-loan ka-1,500 bese ngithi hayi nginikeni i-2,000. Kahle kahle abantu bayabona ukuthi awu-afford. Because if bu-afford bengeke uyoboleka. So now you are not affording, then wenza i-loan. Usathi in the process bese kushona umuntu ekhaya o-responsible wena for yena. Bese ubona ngathi izwe leli or the world is just something else. Or is burying you alive. Bese wenzani? Uyofuna enye loan.
Yo.
Mhlambe bakuzama bethi hayi lapha thina so uthola ukuthi manje wenza i-funeral of your loved one uyibhadela for 36 months. Meaning that every time abe deduct should usangcwaba lo muntu step by step.
Yo.
You are burying this person for 36 months. And unfortunately,
you are forever reminded for the next 3 years.
Yeah, ukuthi washonelwa wena.
Yo.
Kwenzeke usathi washonela phela siyasibona kushona omunye futhi. Then bese uthatha intambo or you commit suicide. Or then uphuma off esporweni.
Yeah.
Then i-trauma ne-depression yenza ukuthi sibe abusive. Angisho wena ngithi thina. Isenza sibe abusive.
Yeah.
Ma udriver lapha u-abuse amanye ama-driver. Because i-gauge ye-petrol iphansi. Ngapho ushonelwe. Asismile thina mangabe sine-financial depression. Angisho wena.
Yeah.
I-partner yakho ikutshela ukuthi uyahluleka. Uma ngale sewuyidonse ngerokwe uyithukile. But you are not like that. It's because wena wenzeni manje sewuthathe i-pressure leya wayinika abantu. Uma ufika ethilini thina hayi wena. Asikhulumi kahle nama-cashier. Uma ufika kuma-petrol attendant so impilo yakhe iyashintsha. Ibe is something else. Ma ube fortunate awuye ejele. Ma ube fortunate you don't die because bowuphuzile depression wenze accident. So le topic inama many implication or setbacks if ever uye wayinyatsa ungayidelela imali akuseyakini.
Yes.
This thing called money doesn't have a surname.
No.
Doesn't belong to you.
No.
Doesn't belong to me. Iya circulate.
Yes.
Ihamba so. Ihamba ikokota kulomuzi ivakashi iphumile. Abakhona ukuyibamba nabayibamba babona ukuthi mari gcine sebi ayibambeki. So you need to treat it with respect. So masiya how Sophia maybe we next episode besayindlala ukuthi wena yini ekushayile emalini.
Yo.
Wafika la ukhona. How did you survive? What made you without a shortcut uthi wathola tender good luck or wantshontsha wathengisa or wacorrupta or siningi ezenzayo mhlambe washaya umkabelo nethi ukhohliwe. But on a pure way yini yenza ukuthi lose something to gain. What did you had to let go? Was it your car? Was it your relationship that was becoming more expensive for you? Or I don't know. Or was that job that was, I don't know. I would like us to share on comments with mina. Hey, ngisese kule ditch. Omna ngiphumele so that was advice.
Yes.
So that then we will come to the planning. But how to plan with discipline. Last time schooling it disciplined. Everything else, it looks good until at the execution stage. Kwi-implementation stage, ma ungakwazi ukuba discipline uthi ngithe ngo-12 o'clock ngizobhadela. Sine problem ukuthi ungayi kuyobhadela eshop. Sine problem hayi wena. Wena une-app usheshe ubhadela, abanye abana-app. Ngikhuluma laba ya physical. Athole kuvaliwe eshop nge-31 ahlala abuyele nge-3 bamrate ukuthi uyi-slow payer.
Yeah.
My rating layer
i-credit score yakhe ayisakhuphuka.
Yehla. Anamali thina singanamali ithi sifuna ikweleti yo. Mabe ngakunika i-loan uyahlanga. So we need to share angifuna ukubeka with the race card lena ukuthi thina abantu abamnyama i-financial problem ayina race ayina color.
Yeah.
Share everybody kuya ngokuthi wena how do you learn to be stingy in a correct way. Uma lo muntu oswaphayo futhi kubhlunge before I pause. 10 years ago besingana amakhadi athenga yaphinda withdraw. Yafika iproblem kwathiwa safana siphatha imali esandleni. Yo. Lesikhathi saphatha imali. It was difficult to uthathe ucash ka 5,000 ukhiphe nje. Lamalanga uswapha nje awu.
Yeah.
So imali igijima fast ngalama tapping lawo.
Yes.
But ma unginika 100 rand yazi uyibona iningi kanjani 100 manje kunika uyayibona. Uyayiche. But le iswapha le kucucu kuhambile. Mayise semafoni
awusavanga next.
So we need to plan. Sizofika kwi-plan step but bengisathi share ukuthi lento kuthiwa imali ne-budgeting.
Yeah.
Zimastara ubani ozimawenze njani. Angifuni kaningi sikhulume into ye-budget speech deliberately so. Repo rates, petrol coming down because Kim kuyafana. Mangayenzanga mina ngibe uminister of finance kwami kungisiza kanjani ukuthi ngibheke i-finance izongitshela ngama advantages. But ama advantages ofika if mina ngiyazi ukuthi what to do first with my own capacity mali nginayo.
Yes.
Endlini. And how then do I relate that kulabantu abaseduze kwami kunabantwana abangazi ukuthi baba akanayo imali. Ngaba sapha unayo imali baba njani. And kube nabo peer pressure umama nathi eish ungibolalisa indlala ngcono ngiyothola omunye ubaba kuze anginike imali ngoba uyahluleka. Agcine umama lo bemshila abayisingile but engasisingile kwi-finance uba nemkhakha eminye emnika imali ngenxa ukuthi naye akakwazi ukuyibamba imali. Wena baba ugcine mhlambe nawe uthi uyakumakhwapheni ukuthi ufuna ukwehlisa istress kanti umakhwapheni naye ufuna elaye eyakhe ishare. Yabona mina ngiyachaya mthombothi but ngijabulela ukuthi akekho umakhwapheni ozofuna imali yami.
Yeah.
Because mawubhalelwe endlini uzomenzana umuntu wangaphandle.
Umkhona ngani? Somthini vele babugabela ngoba uhlulekile endlini. Moya ngaphandle uyocwila musi.
Nayo yajabula ethi ijuba lami yakho ngangithanda ukuthi angiyithandi indawo ukubizwa ngejuba. Unika umuntu imali yakho manje ukubiza ngejuba. So
yahlwithwa babugabela isuka lapho le ndaba yejuba.
Manje thina majuba asikhuluphali ngoba siyahlwithwa. So i-problem ongenzeki i-budgeting iletha all those problems. So we need first to define what is budgeting. What is income? What is disposable income? Ngoba lama income anama levels abo. Gross income. Bese bethi net. Bese bethi futhi disposable net.
LG, thank you so much for giving us such a detailed background, your finance. And for me to bring you on the spot again, I want us to look at Mali as a currency in the days that we live in. Our era now has changed. Money is no longer what we used to know. Money is a currency. Money moves. And when we say currency, it's more like a current, like an electricity current. It moves fast, like a river current.
Sure.
Right. Now, this is where I bring LifeWise to you, Mbugeli. Because if money is a currency, then it looks like a river that is flowing. Everyone who's going to benefit in this movement is the one who's going to come with the bucket and put their bucket in the river and pull out the water. So you need to have a lot of buckets where you plug yourself. Like I gave you the email, I said is ia recruitment@staylifewise.co.za. I repeat, ia recruitment@staylifewise.co.za. That's where you can plug yourself to have a currency that is coming into your house. So back to the example here, electricity. Sonke sinama electricity prepaid, but the main supplier is on the street. So on each and every cable, each and every house, it gets its own cable that is going into their house that is supplying the currency.
Like
Without that cable that is going into your house, you won't have lights. So money is like that. You have to go out and see opportunities where you can plug yourself. Why am I saying this? It's dangerous in the days that we live in today, Babgabela, yokuthi ube ne one stream of income. Because one stream of income yiyo eyenza ukuthi ube approved but not affordable. So how do I plan now? I want to go back to indaba yokushonelwa, because once kuvela isifo ekhaya kula sibuyela khona endabeni yokuboleka. Ngoba sifuna ungcwaba phela, angeke sihlale sithi siyolinda inyanga iphele o siyolinda ini. Kula kumele omunye nomunye uba noqualifyako, uba no credit card, uba no nani, and sifuna ukwenza nalomngcwabo ube mkhulu, sifuna ukwenza nalomngcwabo ube muhle. Sifuna ukwenza nalomngcwabo ubonakala ukuthi lo muntu esimngcwabako ilunga lomndeni esilithandayo. But now sesenza konke lokho ngesikoloto. How do we plan? I want us to jump straight to financial planning. I know we are not giving a financial advice here.
Sure.
We are just sharing what we know and what we do, and then how we can even ease our plans when it comes to finances. Bob Gabela, inkinga esizazi ukuthi zizoza, omunye nomunye umndeni uyazi uzoshonelwa. Ukho umndeni ongakwazi lokho. Isifo sizofika emndenini omunye nomunye. Why don't we plan for that? Mase sifikile isifo, sesiyamangala manje, sesifuna ukuyokwenza isikoloto. What is the best solution that we need to have? Even if something like that happens, you know ukuthi you have support, a backup, and you have planned thoroughly to face the situation.
Thanks, Tombo. Let me get straight into it. Planning is everything. Absolutely everything. I'm glad to have an opportunity to present LifeWise as a company, under many other companies, Bolisa Group, Hollard, Scorpion, LegalWise, but LifeWise specialize on more affordable premiums for a funeral, just core funeral. You can check across. We are highly competitive. Why? Because we want you to afford, not to qualify. So, based on your question, Oti, we know every family is going to have a coffin one day. I-planning yakho, it must be precisely to the point ukuthi ubeke lokho ngathi i-future or future state in your planning. Lokho kuthiwa inflation. Because into eyenza ukuthi imali ingabi nayo much more value is because inflation rate. Inflation rate okusho ukuthi ukukalwa kwamandla emali. I-1 rand namhlanje today mawuyibona phansi, it's just 1 rand. It's no longer the 1 rand that used to buy certain things 5 years ago. When you see a toll gate but by increasing at 2 rand, it means then that money that used to take you throughout the toll gate, seyifuna more manje multiply. So planning is critical. That's kune macro, micro planning is into funa ukuzenza. It is short term, long term. Asibuye lapha kwi-funeral nje bathi khuma example. Kubhlungu kwi-funeral siyabona. And unfortunately, funeral, you can't say people must not come to your funeral. Ngithanda ukukutshela ukuthi abona nje owaziwa kakhulu ngena ku TikTok nabo Facebook wazi ukuthi i-funeral package yakho seyithi 200,000. Ayifani i-funeral cover nomuntu ongaziwe endaweni. Abo www wazalwa wakhula wahlupha washona. Kunabantu abanevelu emphakathini, meaning everyone wants to be there.
Yes.
So if food in just a short example, bengise Nasrec, I'll put it not because I promote. Umgodi wase Nasrec uzokutshela ukuthi mawunganawo 40,000 awuyi lapha. Uyinkutana lapha umgodi. So wena la uhlala khona unaso nisikhathi angisho sikhuluma ngeplanning, you can't plan ungazi ukuthi value oyiplanela yini. Because i-plan yakho iba baseless. Abona mafuna ukuthenga indlu wenza ama quotation ukuthi le ndlu le mangiyakha i-current bag of cement manje ithini.
Yes.
But next day izobe i-110 obuze 120. So meaning that 100 rand that you used to buy you a bag of cement usale nge-10 rand uthenga something ayisaphumi say 99 rand 99 kusali 50 cent. Uyayithola nle 50 cent bag no, but when mawuyibheka uyibuke ithi 99 rand. It's 100 rand that thing. So because 50 cents abasakuniki nakukunika lapha. So it's psychological ukuthi
Cent abasanayo.
yeah. So now we can't start then counting money at 50 cent. So if in a funeral fanele wazi ukuthi okay mina ekhaya isonto for example ngithanda ukusho ecaweni kerekeni mawusonta noma iliphi maybe unless usonta lamasonto lawa anganayo crowd thina ama-apostles amasiyoni nje uma kunomngcwabo sizokukhalisa mfethu uthanda ungathandi Sunday siyangena siyagogoda sithi hali imputsa tsepho yakhe mabeqala kuJesu ukuthi ubheke kitchen alikho itiye bayathandaza abantu wena ubheka uthi
Yobaphanga.
bese ubheka imali yesoso ukuthi izongena nini. Le mali yesoso mayingena niyithatha fast gijimisa umntwana ayothenga. Makufika Wednesday babuya futhi bashaya futhi elinye itiye namakuka hayi bafuna wona. It's a process. Makufika Friday sohlala ke so ditcha ke siyaditcha ke. Thothi grocery yakho seyidlule that amount. Kanti wena ubeke 20,000. So it becomes critically important was the funeral icosta malini. Ungachaza ukuthi no 30,000 ungazi ukuthi lapha kwamasipala uzibhadelela umgodi. Udokotela ocertify umuntu wakini date uyazimbhadelela. Abanye abanganama funerals kunethiwa kuthiwa i-repatriation of mortal remains. Umuntu maselele phansi, let me tell you mina my life experience. mangingawa manje la ngafa la ngeke ngafelwa umuntu amaphoyisa angifonela athi ozolanda nangu lo muntu ngoba ugcina ukukhuluma naye yamazi ngathi ya ngathi ngibize ambulance ambulance asithatha abantu abafile sithatha abantu abagulayo ngangingayicabanga yonke lento banganganayo lo preparation
yes
ngathi ngithi by the time ngicabanga ukuthi kambe lo muntu ngiyamazi besisebenzisana emoshari yipi ngangingayazi ngangingazi emoshari kuzolanda umuntu echarge malini ngangithi before ngangazi ukuthi ufaka umuntu efridge per day malini and some of you don't care, you don't know about that. Kodwa uthi usharp ngefuneral. So ngisho ukuthi planning yakho kufanele ibe precise to the point. Ukuthi le cover ka 30,000 for umamakho. Ngoba uhamba ngemonto so right. Unayo ni 100,000 extra emergency fund izothi umama mayelele. Umncwabe otherwise nzolo endlini ukabona makunomncwabe silwa kanjani amathele ubula ubawe. No, ubhlungu ukuthi umunye ufuna ukungala khona ezobale ngathi bengala kanamali.
Omunye ulwela nalendaba yebox elisilithengile ukuthi it's not enough. Asil upgrade.
Omunye athi it's a waste. Why ngithenga ibox eliso? Because abantu balambile ngaphandle. Omunye umuzi mina ngaze ngahamba ngaye emochari. Ngoba ngiyabazi abantu ngiyabathanda bathi LG sicela usincede. Bathenga ikhabichi, omunye wathenga ini, omunye olanda amabhesi. Abangenza i-order with the first thing emoshari. Babona sekuyi Thursday ukuthi abanayo imali yemoshari. Guess what happened? Balwa. And ngo 4 o'clock kuyavalwa lapha for 5 kuyavalwa emoshari. Saturday kuyangcwatshwa. Ziyangena ihlobo zifuna ukuzovuya isidumbu nomfundisi uyacula ushaya nebandla. Uthola namabandla kini ke uthola nizwane omunye usonta la omunye usonta omunye usonta. So le group manje bonke amabandla mathi mabengena lapha. Bona babengalalela ngabafundisi ukuthi bazoba it's a live example. So ngabe zobekhuluma nami ngokuhlupheka ngathi ithi ngithathe lokho enginakho ngiyokhuluma nabantu basemoshari. Ngathi ngicela nethi ngikhiphe nje ibhokisi. Ningawari ngezitulo ngawari ngethende nani. Ukuthi isidumbu siphuma phela abogogo sebeqala ukuphathwa heart attack. Lezi impahla enizigqoka izidura nihlole kokuplana into critical. So in short, sakwazi ukukhipha lonto but I learn. Ukuthi funeral uhlala uyicheck ukuthi sese right na. I life cover yakho. Uyicheck ukuthi sese right na. Nama savings ona uwacheck ukuthi sese right in for future ngoba inflation ithatha imali dabit. Lento ukhuluma ukuthi currency yashaya. So planning is key. You need to plan according to what the goal is. Not ukungcwaba. How much umngcwabo wakini. Number 2, if awenza umngcwabo, mawuthi ufuna ukwakha umuzi. Fana uplan uthi okay, mawufuna i3 bed, more or less ithini size. Uhambe kulabantu abaziba kunika ukuthi now material uzokhosta so and ukhumbule ukuthi material now every 3 months uyakhuphuka. So wena uzolokhu uhleli uthi hayi mawuthi ulanda lama cement uthi ulanda lama frame uthola seka 20 rand more. So zonke lezi zifuna ube detailed and specific ukuthi kuso. If ufuna ukuthenga imoto wazi le moto le is 36 months or 72 months and mawuqeda ukubhadela ivalue yakho izobe ithini zobusakwazi uku-afford na. So really honestly fanele wazi ukuthi mawunganamali uyintandane.
Mawunganamali usemnyameni.
Uyintandane ayekho okufunayo. Noma mama akakufuni mawunganamali. Uzonoku-understand mara akakufuni mara understand.
Ekubekezelela.
Uzomangala lo inhloko yakhe lengezo bayamthanda ekhaya ngoba nguye lethi imali.
Batshela yena yokinto.
So wena nomama lapha endlini usaba nokucela amaqanda ukuthi aphelile ngoba uyazi ukhipha. So ukungabi namali kuletha to loneliness and i-budgeting ifuna ke ube ne daily planning. Daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, yearly, 5 year kanjalo ayikho i-planning enganayo i-daily breakdown. Because uzokhuluma manga uthi hayi this year ngizokwenza so. November uzoshaya manje sikhulume last year sathi November is assessment month. Uyakubuza ukuthi uyaya eDurban lathi uyakhona ngeholiday. Abantu bafuna ukuya kwi-holiday another planning but abazi ukuthi amahotela abiza ngaki. uyigcine la stay biza ngale mali kanti seyikhuphuke nge-1,500 uma manifika lapha kwi-vacation niyalwa engani yajabula so i-planning is everything.
Planning is everything, Mbugeli. Planning is everything. And let's look at the benefits ke babgabela zokuba ne proper planning, because planning we just highlighted what is it. Now let's go deeper into the benefits. One for me will be peace of mind. If you have planned your things well, even put them in order, you don't panic when everything happens. You have a peace of mind. It even gives you the voice. You have power to say something because you know you're speaking from the plan. But if you are just speaking generally without a plan, even your voice, it's not valued. Because awubeki ogambelana nehlelo kwalenkinga esinayo manje, awulethi solution. So the benefits of planning in advance ngaba yini?
Ukwazi ukusave better uma uplanile, because uyakwazi nokucela ama-discount because but cash is king.
True.
And stress levels ziba down, meaning that my chances ukuthi angifuna ukukhuluma ngezinto ezenzakala abantu bazo misquote, but i-high blood pressure izokwehla, strokes then ama-chances azokwehla. 2, ikwenza ukuthi i-planning ukwazi uku-afford izinto ezi-basics. Into e-basics ukwazi ukulala endaweni e-right for your psychological being. Uba ne-peace, uba free, and then uba happy, and ama-chances to phila isikhathi are better, because uma inhliziyo iphampa ungalali every time igazi lishaya so imithambo iyavala. I-benefit ukuthi uma unemali ukuthi you can decide ngoba une-plan. Awuvele uhambe nje uba ne-discipline. Mabethe abantu ase Cape Town, uthi nihambeni kahle, mina i-Cape Town ngizoya kiyo ngo-2030. And 2030 akasisekudeni is 4 years. So yazi ihotela oya kiyo enjani, Skepeni, Robben Island malini, in because imali is everything. If I'm planning, I did give you an example the other day. Ngathi mina angikhona ukunika i-car guard parking i-R5 ngamane ngimnika i-R10 because ama-R5 ngiwathatha ese-special coins, ngiyakwazi uwafaka ethinini, ngwafaka gcwala. Mase ngiqala ngibona ngathi ngiyawalanda, ngiyazi ukuthi there's something wrong.
Yeah.
Because they were not meant ukuthi ngizowalanda. It was meant ukuthi ahlale in case after 5 years ngifuna something ngizowathola seku-100,000 cash.
Yes.
So awubhadela ama-interest uma uplane better, because into ubhadela high interest.
Awubhadela ama-interest.
Yes, interest ithatha manje. Kunabantu abacabanga ukuthi basavile kanti abasavanga, basabhadela ama-interest over the principal debt. I-principal debt iba so high because uthatha isikhathi ukubhadela. So labantu abanemali but cash, but cash is king. Or benza short term. Labana thina singanamali sithi 12 months ukubhadela e-retail. Abanye bathi 6 months. Bile before 6 months siyibhadela. So usave ama-interest. Uthola leli shirt, le jacket, wayibona beyihenge bethi 150. Kanti wena thema uqeda ukuyibhadela bese kuyi-450.
Yo.
Yeah, it 150 because nemali oyithathile lesa sikhathi uthi ngithatha i-loan ka-50,000. Awuthi ngithatha i-loan e-principal debt ka-90,000. Yayibona i-dangerous kanjani? Uma ngale lento ayipheli kanti no, wena uyigcina uyibona ithi 50,000 loan or 10,000 loan. Awangabisa-check ukuthi bakufaka i-credit life, bafaka lesi ukuthi in-case retrenchment. Ma uthi uya-check it's 16,000 kodwa wena uthole 9,000. And the longer you take ungayibhadeli, the longer it takes to hurt you.
Yeah.
Uyaheta phela paying back the money.
Yes.
Yakuheta every month, every day. Lucky enough sesibhadela kwi-app abanye kodwa bagcina nalapha eshopini nalapha la ubhadela sebazi zonke impahla zakho nezicathulo zakho ukuthi ngoba unjani. So yeah, cash is king, planning is key, and ikunika the peace of mind. Uyakwazi ukulala.
These are beautiful, awesome benefits that we really need to look for. So don't hesitate. You can also check staylifewise.co.za website and check the products ukuthi ngipho ngayithathela umndeni so that we can plan properly. Babgabelo uvezile ukuthi they've got so much affordable packages that can cover your entire family. Yeah, just look for a suitable package. I know you will say, no, sina funeral plan ekhaya yakagogo in. Hey, bafethu, ama-shortfall ahlala khona babgabela.
You nizolwa. Let me just come through to that. You can't say sinayo ungachekanga everyone's package. Ubona mina ngihamba ngemoto ngibona maybe ngikhansele last week. How do you know?
Hey.
Enothembelekile. And above, beside this one, sine opportunity kuye le email esibanikani. Le email esibanika abantu ukuthi applyela umsebenzi uthengisa uthola income yakho. Kuze uvale igap. You said it earlier on. I did not answer you on that bit when you said extra income is part of the solution you're planning.
True.
So Tina Signiga ukuthi unemployment rate is very high. I was just reading the stat again. Youth is now, Eastern Cape in particular, I was just going across. Kule unemployment rate, but affect youth. So we are bringing the opportunity that you can sell these affordable premiums, policies at the affordable premium. Anywhere, government officials, wherever is going, you can help people, give them the advice. So good. Agabege nje 100 rand. There's 100 rand. I said it earlier. I said naive value. But if you can still get a cover from 100 rand, it's near 20,000.
Hey, that's a lot.
That's a lot of money, because if you can try to save for 20,000 in a short period of time, izophela 5 years ungakafiki.
Asithi uyakuloan uyoboleka 20,000 izothini interest
and the premium back it in.
I-premium back it in.
So it's a compulsory ukuthi ma accountable, responsible for umndeni ube ne funeral cover. But ke sikunika the bonus with unemployment rate in South Africa is very, very high. When ungena ku website yethu uzobona, ma ungena ku email uzobona, it's a lot of money that you can make it for yourself. But ungathi masiyenza le mali bese uvula futhi ikweletu. Thatha le mali usquash ama small debts until you are financially free.
Yes, I know the interest question will be how much is it pay, what are the percentages, and all that, because people are driven by benefits most of the time. And that question mina vane ngiyiphendule ngokuthi even if it can be 1%, as long as it's something that is adding into my monthly income, I will take it.
I like that.
I will take it. The America, people are working more than 2 jobs. And because abasebenzi lama 8 hours esiwasebenza kuthina, you'll find ukuthi une 2 hours ye profession ayifundele. Mhlambi is a educator. And then after that, another 2 hours, he goes somewhere, he's a chef, this person. After 3 hours, you go by chef, serving people food. Go somewhere else, do a public speaking, educating people about something else. He's a public speaker. So, Tina, we are forever looking for one thing. You don't even grow because you don't have multiple skills. Why I'm bringing this, Babgabela, I want you to take it from a point esikhulume last on our previous episode when we say people bakwazi uku-advertise amabhizinisi wabanye abantu but bayasaba ukuthengisa. So uku-advertise amabhizinisi wabanye abantu ukwenza njani? Utshela abantu ukuthi le jezi engilimbethe ngilithengephi. ngitshela abantu ukuthi le moto engihamba ngayo ngiyisevisa kuphi, ngitshela abantu ukuthi ukudla okunempilo kuthengiswaphi. But leso stolo leso engikhulume ngaso asinginiki next at the end of the month, but I have sold their business to almost my whole family, everyone who's in my cycle, friends, colleagues, nabantu nje abomakhelwana bayazi ukuthi if they want something hamba nobuza uBobo or hamba nobuza uGabela. Gabela uyazazi itolo, uyalazi igoli ukuthi lamba kanjani uzonika igondli. But le gondli zikubhadala malini. So now we say, good life wise, you are selling this thing and you are treating it as your business. Uyabona uya emgcwabeni uyabona ukuthi le family le, let's take it from there, Bob Gabela. Having multiple streams of income and understanding what was the importance of pushing this business esikhulumayo.
We shy isikhongosini right on the spot. The bit insurance, it's something that we avoid.
It's something we avoid. At the same time, it's something ongeke uphile ngaphandle kwayo.
Abona masenze example ukuthi i-150. I'm just giving just numbers, for example. Ucheck ukuthi 100 rand ikwenzelani. But if thina nge-100 rand siyakwazi ukunika imali, usidecide ukuthi ufuna ukungcwaba kuphi. Ingena kwi-account yakhe, it's tax free. And it's not only you. You cover more than 10 members. So meaning that each and everyone on 20,000, owner take kuya ngepackage wekhethi 30. Uyabona ukuthi abantu abakithi kahle bekungafanele ngabe sithi masiyongcwaba khona ekhaya sibone ukuthi lela bhokisi lela mara alifani noGabela. Because masungcwabile, that's another thing that people they don't understand. Kunama cost before funeral. Kube nama cost during the funeral. Amanye bongaplanelanga. But issue sicela generator ngoba kube ne load shedding. Yoyihira ngani?
Awuyibhajetelanga.
Ngoba ungayilandi leya generator, it means ukudla nikuthengele kuzobola.
Yes.
That is during funeral. Kube nama expenses after funeral. Fanele nibuyisele lezi zinto ade nizibolekile back, petrol kabani. Abantwana Monday nginokubuka udla ade sikudla masilapha esiyadla. Abanye siya overtake vele bezidlule endleleni. Mabefike bedlala bathatha iplate kancane balahle phansi bahamba uphuza. Lokho kudla uma uthi yakuhlanganisa on Monday afternoon abantwana banakho ukudla.
But nilahle idrom egcwele ukudla.
That is after funeral. Abantwana basenayo imali yokukhera. After funeral. Because nisabhadele ezinye izinto enizibolekile. Nicabanga ukuthi sofika esikole, unfortunately lamalanga esikole sifika sishaya amajini sime lapha sizibhemele. Makuthiwa ngesource silapha thina siyasixoxela sizodla la. Engathi ungabalanda bonke manje abantu abangaphandle ukuthi uyahlanya. Unina nonke ningazanga ekhaya kwi-funeral ngicela ningasilandeli mase siyodla. So yeah, ungayithathi kancane indaba ye-funeral. Not because mina ngiyayithengisa, yes is my job ngiyayithengisa. But hlala unganayo ubona ukuthi uzoba njani. Kuba buhlungu.
Yes.
And i-pride yeni yasekhaya iyabonakala lapha.
Yes.
Besingcwaba omunye ubishop kwenye indawo ngeke ngisho. Lo bishop beshumayela mfowethu kuba mnandi uyahlabelela. Mase ngithi ngiyakhona during the week. Ngathi lo mbhede lo iwadula lo bishop.
But yebo babugabela.
Lo mbhede lo ka bishop.
Awufani naye.
Hayi mina futhi I don't believe le ndaba ukuthi hey uNkulunkulu afuna ube rich. uNkulunkulu ufuna umuntu rich ngoba umuntu rich akabalabali. Angikholwa ukuthi fanele ngibathi spiritual whatever in mina futhi makuthi nginceke kaNkulunkulu nasekhaya akubonakala ukuthi ngiyinceke kaNkulunkulu. mangena lapha bayahlanganisa yazi mfethu nekhandlela uyothenga ikeres ubona so singaniza ngekeres eli1 hayi ngepackage uyabona uthi yabona ke la kune problem la sithe mase sithi negotiate kuthiwa somncwa ngebhose wathi hayi phela naye phela naye ubenganayo bakazi uthi somncwa ngase kuyaliwa mase khetha ibhokisi thola ibandla bathi ibandla likhiphile imali ngabona ngathi la
ya
uyazi ngize ngafonela umuntu wemusha ngathi mfowethu ngoba siyazana sikwa insurance nama funeral nabophala awubazame ngale price ongcono imonto eyi1 family i2 3 4 uthi ngifuna umncwabo ufana nokaloyi uyazi bakhipha imalini i-funeral expense manje mawukuthi umuntu ongasipopular i70,000 kodwa mawukuthi umuntu ongena isonto it 100,000 ngaphezulu kunje ungena isonto mawuthi uyisigebengu it 150 because onke lamagenge afuna ukuza lapha ngeemonto azokubona
mayino njengathi uDumile usebenza emhathweni kubo television bo masipala ku government ipolitician
bona mina nawe David sizobulalisa ama partners ethu kabuhlungu
yeah
ngoba ifuneral yami oyeyakho iphele yakhe ifuneral ayiphumula ejardini iphume eholweni
madoda
kunama funeral aphuma ejardini
wabugabela
kunamanya ijarida saba afford phuma estadium
ya ihola lisaba afford
ihola so kuya ngecategory yakho uthi wena wangasendlini emkhukhwini ene ubhlungu nini eniqashileke ngoba emqashweni ifuneral ayikho kufanele uyekini le kwadlawulale le KZN kune transport cost
emeli kuthatha
ikuselapha so ifuneral ina categories wena uphumele ejardini
ngizokhavela izinto lesizithatha lula yazi
no ngikutshela into engiyaziyo kudala ngihamba kudala ngibona
ena sicabanga ukuthi
awuphumeli wena usaphumeli wena endlini mawuphumela endlini uhlangahlanganisa abomakhelwane because manje imoto ziblock the whole strategy yofika le ene manje bazongena apha abantu
imizi
yabantu tent the biggest tent it 250 tent uzoyihira ngo 20,000 iyodwa netulo
musile ya 20,000 abantu abathi boyithola nakushoniwe
bathi ngikubonile uyoclaima lapha mara wazi kulesi uyoclaima lapha kulama company ngiwabize la but awutholanga next ngoba le 20,000 uzolwa uthi na uzosala ngemadlana uthi service ikolo imusa ngisho imali yakho lutho awubonisile kangaka kubani odla inyama la futhi manithi niyothenga mara base niyothenga ichicken nithi niyathenga kuphi iqala idliwa abomakhelwane labazonisiza la bashaya by the time ushawu 10 o'clock sibe mangcwabeni wabona abafana bama bezimo ngeke ngisho lama golf but lezimoto egijima bafike bangene phambili bafuna ukudla manje niyabuya nina abafundisi nabantu nithi niyagezandla ukudla kusekho ifuneral yadura angeke kuyi-escape and abanye bayadelela bathi mina ngeke ngidliwe izinja bazongcwaba ekhaya it's unfair statement because unophuza malini wena ngenyanga angifuni ukulwa nabantu abaphuza manje phuza malini ngoba ukuphuza is not compulsory ubhema malini ngeviki and the more ukhohlela the more ubhema the more ukhohlela mara unayo ngisho casket nje awunayo it's up to you but thina njengo LifeWise sikunika opportunity si-check uzosithola na ku-YouTube sithola konke sikhulumisana siyabonga.
Another thing I like about LifeWise, as much as you'll be taking the opportunity yokuzenzela i-income angeke uhlala ungana life cover i-funeral cover ngeke uhlala ungana funeral cover because uzabe sowazi ukuthi umngcwabo uhamba kanjani ubiza malini.
You are enlightened
and manje wena ubona ukuthi fanele umndeni wakho izoba imalini. You are enlightened definitely. Wow. No, sifike ekugcineni nge-episode yethu yanamhlanje. Asikhumbuze i-email ongathumela kiyo ukuzifunela umsebenzi uzenzele extra income i-ia recruitment at staylifewise.co.za ia recruitment at staylifewise.co.za uzayibona na ku screen khona iyavela. I mean, send your CV, send your application. Maybe you are the best salesperson ever in your family, in your township, in your community, and you can change and save other people's lives. And one thing ngithanda kwabagabela ngokudlulisa information efana le nokuba nama products we-funeral. Sivezile ukuthi kuneminye imindeni ithina ingcwabe kabuhlungu. But kube bebazi ukuthi kunomuntu ophethe ama products we-funeral bebazozithathela. Yazi ugogo ekhaya nanoma holy pension wenza sure ukuthi imali yakhe yokumngcwaba e-society iba khona. And thina abantwana bakhe uthola ukuthi sithi sonke simcoverile. But nasithi siyabheka uthola ukuthi lezi society yagogo yiso senza ngcono ukudlula zona lezi zethu esithi sinazo. So this is the great opportunity, guys, yokuthi let's do wise, you know. Let's be part of LifeWise and get the proper package for our family and do the right thing when it comes to funerals. Because ubabugabela sekavezile ukuthi ama-funeral awalingani. Ukhona ozophumela ejardeni, ukhona ozophumela esondweni, ukhona ozophumela eholweni, ukhona ozophumela estadium. Wena ngendlela ophila ngayo so uyazibona nawe ukuthi kuhle you are just the cost to your family and you haven't saved anything for your funeral and for your coffin.
Sure.
Kunzima. Sithokozile babugabela ukuthi sibe nawe namhlanje singabalayilisa emakhaya.
Sahlangana ku next stage siyabonga ukusilandela kwenu. Ngithemba ukuthi ningathathi oku-wrong, nithathe lokho ku-few oku-right nanikudlulisele kwabanye.
Sithokozile. Wakhohlwa-ke iWise recruitment at staylife.co.za. That's your great opportunity that you take to change your life. Sithokozile.
Sure.